Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sotiris. For those that are new here, I waffle on about all things digital, video skills, and LinkedIn. And today I want to cut right to the chase. I don't want to fluff out this video with any unnecessary fluff. I want to give you pure value from the start and basically give you a public service announcement that will hopefully motivate you. And I want you to tag every single one of your friends, to share this with all of your friends that have the same kind of mindset as you, that want to succeed in 2023. If you own a business, if you're looking to enhance your career in this year, you have to be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the greatest opportunity that we have seen since the early days of Facebook. There is no denying it. Now, I'm not talking about LinkedIn ads. I'm not talking about LinkedIn groups. I'm talking about you building a personal profile on this platform. You will build such influence this year on this platform. There is going to be, quite literally, celebrities made through this platform. This is the new age of the influencer, and LinkedIn is the place to be. Even the big names, Logan Paul, Mr. Beast, they're all coming over to LinkedIn and starting to post content. That should tell you enough. LinkedIn has now become less of a job posting platform and more of a social media platform. You can schedule posts, you can host polls, you can go live and do webinars, you can host audio events, you can post videos, you can connect with decision makers in any field of work for free. Do you understand the opportunity that is if you have a small business? You want to work with these clients so you can go and connect with their director and start a conversation for free. No having to go around a gatekeeper. No sending an email that doesn't reach anyone. No, you can engage with their content, start building a relationship, and direct message them. There has not been an opportunity like this to build a successful career or a successful business as there is now. LinkedIn is the place to be. It's the way to do it. Now, if you're thinking, well, I don't know how to create content, I'm not sure what to post. How do I do this? How do I do that? I would say just start. If you're not on LinkedIn already, sign up. It's free. Optimize your profile. Put a good profile picture in there. A banner image that tells people exactly what you do, what kind of pain points you solve. Or if you're looking to get the dream career that you want, use your banner image to highlight the skills that you have, why you would be an asset to a team, again, addressing pain points of your potential future employers. Engage with people that you want to work with. Start commenting on their posts, liking their posts, sharing their posts, giving them accolades, engaging in direct message conversations. Build up your own influential brand by posting valuable content that hits your target audience in the right way, addresses their pain points, provides them with pure value. I could go on and list these for forever, but unless you start, you will not be able to succeed. And as with everything, if you're early to something, you can reap the rewards. If you're late to something, you are the sheep that is playing catch up. Now, you need to decide in 2023 whether you want to be the leader or the sheep. Are you going to lead the way, build up this amazing career, or build up the business that you really dream of this year? Or are you going to be the sheep that's just following the crowd once everyone does it eventually? That will lose the opportunity. Yes, it's safer, but you will lose the advantage that you would have. LinkedIn, as I've just listed, has a million different tools to help you grow, and they want people on the platform. They reward video content. They reward attention. So if you can create slides that take people through a journey and keep their attention, they will reward you. If you engage with more people, they will reward you. If you create video content that keep people watching, they will reward you. So, as I said, this is a public service announcement to make sure that you take LinkedIn seriously this year. I'm going to be posting a lot more content about LinkedIn and the best strategies that you can use to grow and create the biggest success that you possibly can this year on this channel. So what I'd ask you to do is subscribe, make sure you like and comment so as many people as we can possibly follow on. Also go over to my LinkedIn, connect with me and tell me that you came from my YouTube. I will always respond and I always help. Anyone that has watched my videos and done this can jump in the comments, let other people know. I always respond, I always help where I can. And also I have a few links in the description, one of them being an absolutely free ebook on how to build confidence on camera. Because as I said, video is a key area of developing yourself and building your personal brand. So if you can put yourself on camera using the skills that are in that ebook, you will reap the rewards of posting. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a bit more serious than my usual ones, but trust me, the content that's coming to this channel will change your world. So make sure you're subscribed and I will catch you in another one.